Hi there, students. Snooty. Snooty is an adjective that describes somebody who turns their nose up. Somebody who's pompous, haughty, snobbish, stuck up. So he was snooty about the omelette that I made for his lunch. He was too good to eat a simple omelette. You could talk about snooty intellectuals who think that people who are not intellectuals are inferior. This is a very snooty area of town, and the people are very snooty. You can also use snooty to mean exclusive, elitist, high class. A snooty restaurant, a snooty shop. Harrods can be pretty snooty. It's not for the hoi polloi, the general people. Okay, so snooty. This is a slightly informal word. I'd probably give it something like a 4 informality. Yeah, to mean snobbish. There's no need to be snooty about the way I live. Yeah, I'm perfectly happy and I have everything I need. My teacher was pretty snooty about my essay. He didn't like it. He thought it was lower class and not very good. Okay, so if somebody's snooty, you can use it to mean disparaging about, having a low opinion of. He was far too snooty to ride in my beaten up old car. And he's definitely too snooty to eat with my hand, with his hands. Eat from my hands even less. Okay, so snooty. Snooty comes from a Scots word, snoot, or snout. The snout is the nose part of a pig or a dog or a bear. And the idea of this is you put your snoot in the air. With his snoot in the air, he was snooty about this. Okay, nearly all the comments I get are nice comments. They're from supportive people, people trying examples. But from time to time I get the odd snooty comment. Well, it's part of life. Okay, so snooty, from snout, an informal word, something that you could use in an informal conversation and sounds perfect. I think for something semi-formal or formal, I might use the word snobbish, yeah, or pompous or haughty in its place. Okay, so there's no need to be snooty. Yeah, it's perfectly good. It may be not as good as you're used to or as expensive, but it's still fine. So there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Snooty.